What's up guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com. It is brutally hot. I'm gonna put on my jacket anyway, and we have a 1982 Harley Davidson. Sportster, I don't know, I'm sure it's a 1200. I have no idea. Whatever they made back in 1982. We're going to talk a little bit about the bike, talk a little bit about America, and have a grand old time. And I'm going to show you what it looks like to fire this beast up. Alright, so we're going to pull the choke up. I'm going to turn the fuel on. Turn that fuel on. I'm going to turn that key, and then I'm just going to you kidding me? Oh, come on. I'm gonna go grab a jump box. No, I'm not gonna be able to. Will I be able to get to it? I was so proud of this bike because the battery was so good and it was so charged up. And alright, what fell? Let's go grab a jump box. We're not quitters.